Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel here on MDC Vids, the entertainment channel, where I'm just trying to distract you from the fact that no, customs now gonna stop charging double the price just for clear something, so just let it go. Andrew not going about it, just so I have to. But yeah, as I can tell in this video, we're gonna do a little vlogging here and there, and I'll just talk about the time I did my first photo shoot. Wait, before you continue, don't forget to subscribe if you don't subscribe already. That actually work. Cause subscriber count grow, so I guess. So right now I wear this shirt. Last week in my video last week, showing a little preview of this shirt. But I know someone know if you don't follow me on Instagram would know what this shirt deal with and what it means. But basically what it means is Digital Jamaica. They're a group called Digital Jamaica Person to Watch for 2021. So basically I was nominated for basically this thing called Digital Jamaica Person to Watch for 2021. So I got nominated as a person to watch for 2021 as a personality media, and honestly I just felt so honored, and I was just like, yo, this is lit, it's crazy. It happened like what, 2 weeks ago, something like so. But yeah, and I was just crazy, and then they were like, oh, want help promoting the things, want giving a photo shoot and give interviews, this and that. So it was just a nice experience, and we just want to carry on along the journey of the little photo shoot them have with me. So my last video, last week, if you didn't see it, it was me experimenting on my hair. It didn't come out good though, but yeah, I didn't know how it was gonna come out, but it came out good. I was basically experimenting on my hair for the photo shoot, and we just didn't want to do it in case it come out good or bad, so I'm gonna show you what I know.
Morning everybody, so today is the day of the photo shoot, so I'll start get ready now. I'll start on my hair, then I'll go iron some clothes, and then I'll go to tailor, pick up one blazer. I think hopefully I'm finished by at least 11 o'clock. I'm gonna leave out by that time, right? But yeah, let's see how this day go.
Alright, so ready? Get my hair. I can't wait for it dry. If you don't watch the video last week, you don't know what I'm going. So if you know, you know. Hair struggles. Anyway, so I go iron some clothes. I know I'm not going to this to the shoot, but I have a couple outfits I'm going to go to the shoot. I'm not sure if they're going to give us costume changes. Like, I don't know how much photos they're going to give us, but I'm carrying, at least I have 3 different outfits I have in mind. So I'm carrying 3 different, basically shirts. It's the same pants and same shoes, but yeah, nothing too crazy. So, let's see where it go. No, I don't know what spirit take me over if you want to experiment the night before and the day of a photo shoot, but the spirit said, listen, look like I'm an ancestor, them said, listen, we're going to do it and it'll go look good, because trust me, it look good. Okay. So yeah, today, the day of the photo shoot, I had my hair to worry about. And then I had to worry about this blazer that I was getting because I wore a blazer today. So I was worried about this blazer because I gave the tailor the blazer for the Tuesday for Thursday. And me not thinking at the time, tell him get it ready for Thursday morning. I should have tell him Wednesday, but me just never want to give him something Tuesday for Wednesday. So I'm going to give him Tuesday and I say Thursday morning early. Because the shoot was at 1 o'clock and we tell him 9 o'clock and we tell him 9 o'clock. So I'm reached at 9 o'clock. Jamaican things, never ready. End up ready about 11 o'clock or so. Alright, so it's after a rocky start. The tailor said he's not ready yet, and I went there 10:15. I told him to get it ready by 9 o'clock. And when I walked in at 10:15, he was still working on mine. So I'm gonna check him back now. Hopefully ready because I'm kind of ready for left. I'm in Jamaica and I'm gonna have to go to Portmore. So yeah. Alright, so everything sorted out. I got the jacket from the tailor, so everything good to go. I'm on my way now to Portmore from Maypen. It's now 11:40 something. I'm supposed to reach there by 1 o'clock, so I'm supposed to go. But I'm just leave out early because I don't know a place there. And at Portmore, so I will last. I've never driven in Portmore before, so yeah, if I last, I have 1 hour extra time for last and find myself, you understand? So it's like, yeah, but I'm kinda excited, never really done something like this before, so I say, hey, let's have fun and enjoy what they say enjoy. And they said they're going to do some interviews with us as well, so let's see how it go. So after that, now me speed gonna Portmore because I want up on time, more early and more professional. I forget my picture and thing. So rush off of Portmore, make sure the window them wind up. Cause I don't want nothing mess up my ear where I dry, because if it get messed up while wet, it'll go dry, mess up, and so make sure me drive with the window them up.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
They gave us a location in Google Maps to use, and I was using Google Maps to basically lead me to the place. And I be a turn off, turn yes, so turn this, so turn this, so turn yes, so I mean I say, yo, Portmore, this is no way. I force me driving at Portmore. I don't like that.
it.
Every new turn off, me take people a stare upon me, and I'm like, no, me not do no drive by. Me empty, we know them nothing, so you know that bad, but you know, like, no worry, please, me just try to find somewhere, please. So guys, we finally here at the Photoshoot Pure Group Photoshoot place. Alright, it's time to go in and see what's up, what's it about. Went inside, it was a nice setup. I was early, I was probably one of the first 2 persons that reached, and just sit down and just kind of wait and a bit of vibe and thing. It was great, it was amazing. It was so nice to just have a lot of these similarly minded people like you know, different creatives in the media space doing what they're doing, whether they're influencers or business people or just media people like me, because they're different categories. Those 3 are examples of the categories. I can't remember what other ones there are, but there's media, there's influencers, there's business. I think there's a creative or something portion, but we're all, you know, under the umbrella of creatives. So it was nice to be in the same space with all those creative people. And me, since 2021 started, I'm just trying to network more and get into different spaces where I've been networking and so on. So as soon as I got into this space with all these people, I just started networking. At first I was kind of like a bit to myself because I'm me one, and it kind of take me like a while to get comfortable in situations like that. But as soon as I'm comfortable, I talk to everybody, give me your IG, give me your IG. This is my IG, what do you do? This and that. It was a nice experience. Vlogception. Vlogception. Oh, guys, I met all these cool people. It's so lit here at the Pure Studio. It's a great day. Got a supermodel. So today was a success. You know, the hair, guys, the hair actually not drying that bad. But yeah, today was a success, and it was just lit to be here and stuff. My battery are dead, so I might have a catching it later. Then now it came time to leave Portmore, and if you think coming into Portmore is by leaving Portmore now, it's like I now have nowhere to kind of put the pin in a Google Maps to say, alright, I want to reach here, so I don't know anywhere. So I just asked one lady, alright, how me leave Portmore? She's like, oh, you can just follow that road, yeah. And I'm like, alright, but we kind of figure out, say, so one road might lead us straight into Kingston, because I remember there's a road that just goes straight to Kingston. So I'm like, alright, I don't want to go Kingston, I go the other way, I go Clarendon side. It's like, oh, alright, well, you can't turn, yeah, so I'm turning. You know what, just follow that road there. Yeah, man, let me carry this. I'm like, alright, cool. Follow that road there. I'm lost coming out of Portmore, because of Portmore I keep. And now I'm afraid end up in a Kingston if we turn back, if we go back on my yard. Oh, how fun is life? Lead me to Kingston, Panny Highway, so I can't turn back. I asked the toll booth lady, like, miss, I can't turn back and I can't open the little rope there, man, make me turn. She's like, no, you have to go to the NI toll road and turn back. So I'm like, I don't want to do that, because if I turn back, I've got to pay one next $250. So I'm just drive through Kingston and then go back to the regular toll road. That was like extra 40 minutes for no reason. Anyway, as I reach home, I give the phone a little charge. Today was lit, honestly, and I don't know, I just had so much fun. It was such a cool space, meeting all those great young creatives, you know, just kind of made me feel like, yo, I'm home with all these people. I want to thank the Digital Disruptors and Digital Jamaica group again, you know, for nominating me, and thank somebody must nominate me. At first, I don't know who it is, but if you did nominate me, just tell me. I need to thank you. I need to big you up some way, you know, and just thank you to the Digital Jamaica group for choosing me. I guess it was lit. And plus, they give me t-shirt and thing. Digital Jamaican to watch for 2021. So I reached home though, and boy, I was tired, but I was so excited and happy, and it was such a cool experience because it was my first time doing a photo shoot like that, and I was excited for the pictures to come out. But the thing is, I saw the pictures in the camera anyway, so I was like, yo, I can't wait for them pictures to come out. But as some of us see, yeah, them come out good. Hey, your boy got moves and things. Him can't pose. Him look good. Him clean up. Him no bad. I'm glad me come out and come see this.
It's not like a beer is just going to sit me never there, so I'm just choke myself.
But yeah, so that's it for my experience on doing my photo shoot for my first time and being nominated as one of Digital Jamaica's persons to watch for 2020. You guys can check out Digital Jamaica, by the way, on Instagram. I'm gonna link their Instagram down in the description so you guys can go follow them and check out what I do, because it's a really nice organization. And I just kind of talk about tech stuff sometimes during the week. Alright guys, that's been the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it, and just subscribe if you haven't. And also you can share on this video just to help me out a little bit. Also, I don't know if anybody realized, but I got 200 subscribers. I didn't really want to make a big deal outside of this video, so I'm just gonna kind of wait until this week pass, and you know, it's still there 200 coming. I want to say, oh, me have 200, and then may not get 190 yet, you know, because enough time people just unsubscribe, you know. But yes, for now we have 200 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that. We're on our way to 500, because yes, we're still on the road to 500 and thing. So thank you guys so much for, you know, subscribing and joining the family and just supporting me in general. And thank you for supporting me, for getting me to that photo shoot, because if Uno never support me, we wouldn't get that, and that video I wouldn't make. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you guys next week again, because guess what? Me I got there Tuesday again, MDC Vids.